How to save your Wix website. First, I'm going to change some elements here. So I will simply add an image. I'm going to upload an image here, choose this option, upload it from the computer, and just do this one. So once this image has been uploaded, I will just show you how you can import it. So add to page here, and the image is going to look like this. Now, if we want to save our website, then what we have to do is focus our energy or right here at the top right corner, and you will see the autosave feature, but we want to manually save it. So we will simply click on here, and then we can do a Wix domain, and it's going to automatically fill this out, or we can customize a premium domain, but I'm going to click on save, and now it is saving my website, and it's gonna look like this. And we can also publish the website now, or we can just click on done here, and now the changes to our website will have been successfully saved. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.